In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to upload pictures in Claude AI. It only takes a few seconds, so let's jump right in. First, I'll open my browser and go to the Claude AI website. Once the page loads, I'll sign into my account if I'm not already logged in. After signing in, I'll land on the main chat interface. Now I'll start a new conversation by clicking Start a New Chat on the left side, or I can simply use the message box in an existing chat. At the bottom of the chat window, I'll look at the message input area. Right next to the text box, there's an attachment or plus icon. I'll click on that icon to upload a file. When I click it, a file selection window opens on my computer. From here, I'll navigate to the folder that contains the picture I want to upload. I'll select the image file. This can be something like a JPG or PNG, and then click Open. As soon as I do that, the image will appear inside the chat message area. This shows that the picture has been successfully attached. If I want Claude to analyze or describe the image, I can type a message in the chat box, like explain what's in this picture or analyze this image. Then I simply press Enter or click the Send button. Claude will process the image and respond based on what I asked. And that's it. The picture is now uploaded and Claude can read or analyze it directly inside the conversation. So that's how you upload pictures in Claude AI. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials.